What if I told you you could create a digital product this weekend based on something you already know and start earning $100 a day without having a large following? Yes, it's possible. Most people think you need to have a large following or a big audience before you make money online. No. The truth is, you already have valuable knowledge someone's going to pay good money for. Maybe it's just how you stay organized as a mom, or how you manage your time, or how you plan yourself on a budget, or even how you decorate on a budget. Take one thing that you can talk about over and over again, even if you just woke up from sleep, and you turn that into a digital product. Hi there, I'm Bess. I'm a stay-at-home mom who earns an income online. On this channel, I share mom-friendly and beginner-friendly side hustles you can do from anywhere with just a phone or a laptop, no experience needed. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you digital product ideas you can create in one weekend, where to sell it, and which products are best if you're just starting out. Number one, checklist. Everybody loves checklists because it saves time, and if you've gone through something, you definitely know the steps on which you can direct someone else to do it. Let's say you just moved. You have steps on which you took before you moved. You can put that in a checklist. Say, okay, first you need to pack your kitchen things, you pack your closet, you pack this, put all of that in a checklist and you sell it to somebody else. Actually, my very first sale online came from a checklist. It was a hospital bag checklist. So I just had my baby then, so I know what I packed in my bag. So I made a checklist on everything that I needed that was necessary at the hospital, and I put that on Etsy, and that's how I got my first client. The next one, printables. These are cute, useful designs you can print and use at home, from planners to meal trackers, affirmation cards, coloring books. You can sell them on Etsy or Shopify. So let's say you want to do print on demand. You get into Canva and you get creative. You've drawn something or you've made a design. Whatever those designs are that you want to put on Shopify, those are called printables. The next digital product you can create this weekend are ebooks. So the name books shouldn't scare you. It can be between 10 to 20 pages based on something you already know. So you can go to ChatGPT and help it outline your thoughts. So let's say you pick a topic of something you can talk about all day. You have the topic, you go to ChatGPT, you ask ChatGPT to give you maybe 5 things people struggle with in that particular topic. Then you also ask ChatGPT to give you 5 things that can help solve the problem people are facing in that particular topic. So it's going to outline all these things. Now you go into Canva, you copy and paste all the information it has given you, you arrange it however you want. You sell them on platforms like Stand Store or Beacons, where you can easily track your sales, you can easily send your emails. It has everything embodied in one. So the next one is online courses. So online courses are just like an upgrade from ebooks, but this is good for someone who loves to teach or who loves to be on video. So you can create an online course showing people step by step how to create a digital product, or you host a workshop showing people step by step how to bake a cake from scratch. You tell them when to put sugar, to put eggs, to put butter, to put flour. All of these, you can start small and you scale while you go. A good platform for you to host your online course can be school, because on school you can host your videos on there. You have a community for everyone who attended the workshop, or everyone in your online course can interact with each other. It's also beginner friendly. It's easy for you to access, to know where to go to look for whatever you want to look for. And the last but not the least, templates. Templates are shortcuts people love to buy. For example, social media templates, resumes. People don't have time to do all these things. So you can go into Canva, you create a resume, you edit it, you put colors, you put different fonts. And Canva already have existing templates. You can create all these templates, you customize them, you sell them on platforms like Etsy. I think Etsy is the go-to platform for if you're looking for templates for certain items. So you can create a template like a resume and you take it onto Etsy. These are 5 digital products ideas you can create on the weekend if you're just starting out. You don't need to have thousands of followers. Focus on creating the right product and the right messaging. So you can start by sharing tips and sneak peeks on your Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and focus on helping people solve one particular problem, not selling to everyone. Even if you make just $10 profit from your digital product, if you sell 10 of them, that is $100 a day. So don't overthink it. You can start today and start creating your digital product. For those who say, I don't know how to use Canva, I'm going to link a free Canva crash course down below in the description. On this page, we're focused on helping you make money online. I don't want no excuses. So go take the crash course and you create your first digital product. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be useful. And so if you want to see more videos like this on my page, please like and subscribe. And let me know down in the comment section which of these digital products you're going to create first. And until next time, bye. Mwah.